Okay, here's a video for Anju. This is your boy. He's growing up so beautiful. He is such a lover too, but he does good with those little French bows he's in with. They're kind of higher energy. They've already played hard this morning. There we go. There we go. Good boy. He's already gotten really good on his bite inhibition. He's not a hand chewer. He's very lovey and gentle. He likes his toys, as you can see. Say hi to your mama. Say hi, mama. Hi, mama. Look how pretty I am. Look how pretty I am. Yes, I'm a good boy. Oh, I'm a good boy. Yeah. Okay, okay. Here. Go see Riley. Go see Riley. Make some strong sounds. Get his attention. Now, strong sounds, you can go pss, 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 get his attention. There you go. There's a good boy.
He likes the camera.
Yes, some of them are scared of it and some of them like it. He just wants to come say hi. You goofy head. You goofy boy. You goofy boy. Yeah, you're a lovey boy. You're a lovey boy. Lovey boy. Yeah. Okay, go play. Go play. There you go. They like the French fries. Got? What you got? Ronnie's got your toy. You see if he'll play fetch with it too. He likes that toy. When you find one they like, you can make sure they see you and get their attention, squeak it, and then see he can follow you when you toss it. He likes the French fries. Boy, the rain's really coming down. I can hear it on the roof. Yeah, 1 second. Says it's nap time. I'd rather chew on the blanket. Yeah. What's he doing, just chewing on the blanket?
Yeah. But come here.
Puppy! Boo-boo! Just no, I want to chew the blanket. And say hi. Say hi to Mama. Say hi, Mama. I'm so pretty. Yes, I'm a good boy too. Yes, I'm a good boy too. Yeah. Oh, what do you see? Do you see? Do you see Tracy back there? Do you see her? Yeah, you're a good boy. Oh, you're a good boy. Oh. Okay, so here he is, Mama Anju. He's beautiful. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama.